This is a very quick video to show you how to record anything you're doing on the iPad. It's a way of students using the iPad and recording what they're doing on the iPad so they can explain either the functions of what they're doing with an application or the way that they're using a program, or they could really be explaining something that is academic, maybe an academic concept or something to do with math. But it's a way of them recording information and what they're doing on the iPad. So the way to actually turn on the iPad recording, or to have it as available as a function, is if you go to Settings, you have to go down to the Control Center and then to Customize Controls. And you need to make sure that that control is turned on. So if you look here, this is the screen recording function that needs to be on. Yours might be turned off. So if I hit this minus over here, if I hit the minus and I remove it, it's going to be down at the bottom here, which means it's not turned on and available. The only way I know how to get to this is through the control center. So you have to actually turn this on by hitting the plus sign. It goes up here. You do have the option of moving it up. I like moving it up just because I like having it at the very top, because I use it a lot. And then if I hit my home key on my iPad, I'm back to the beginning again. And if I drag down from the top right corner of the iPad, that's my functions. And you can see my recording is actually on, because right now I'm actually recording my screen to show you how to do this. So then what happens is, to actually record, you hit that button. You may have to hit it, do like a deep press. It's not just a soft press. You hit a deep press and then make sure that the audio is on. If your student wants to record their voice as well, you just need to make sure that the microphone is on, and then you can hit start recording and then get the recording started. And then you'll see that as it's recording, there's a red bar at the top of the screen. If you drag down from the top right, and if I want to stop this recording now, I'm going to hit my little flashing button to stop this recording. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Finished.